Okay, what's up, everybody? And in the animal company today, man, I wonder what I should do. Oh wait, now I have an idea. So, if you want to be Spider-Man, this is the first idea that comes in my mind. What about you take a backpack? Okay, I know this kind of sounds stupid, but you do that, place an egg into it. Oh, I actually tried this before and so then save it. So then save it and try it on. Then you go to your stash. Oh, maybe get some grapplers. Then go to your stash. Then you do this. Then you do that. Now you're Spider-Man. Wait, just kind of hard to do this, but now you're Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay, hold on.